Hello guys, so it's fishing day again. So we're here in a different location. This is something new. We're here at Xcuautla. Hindi ko basa eh. Xcuautla Lake. Alright, so this place is really nice. This is bigger than the lake that we used to go fishing there na malapit lang sa house. So I want to show you guys how big this lake is. And look how scenic the place is, by the way. My gosh. Look at it, actually. This place is so beautiful. So let's go near, guys. So we're in a different locations. Actually, I'm wearing this jacket. It's because it's having a drizzle. Arte, no? Drizzle. Ulan lang naman. Pero hindi siya, no? Patak-patak lang ko. Alright, so beautiful here, guys. So, dadaan tayo dito. Yan. Pupunta tayo dito. So, look at the water. So clean. Look at it. So, there's a plane there. I don't know what kind of plane is that. But it's situated in the lake. So, pwede siya sa tubig. Oh, it's Xcuautla Lake. Sorry.
Dito sa may mga
Gosh, ang ganda. Ganda. So, I'm not fishing, by the way. I don't have fishing license. Here at Xcuautla Lake. Xcuautla Lake lang tayo. Look at that. Alright. Yan si Kazin. Sana makahuli kami ng tilapia dito. O bangus. Yan. So, balance tayo dito, guys. Baka bigla tayo. Oh. Daming lake dito. Oh, basta may fishing license ka lang. You will really enjoy. Tignan mo. Diba? Nagbabantay talaga dito. Yan. Pulis yan. I'm not sure kung pulis. Pero yung focus nila is dito banda sa lake. Sine-check nila kung sino yung mag-fishing, titingnan yung license mo, kung legit, whatever. Right. Medyo malamig lang dito kasi malaking body of water to eh. Ganda. So, beautiful. Ganda oh. Medyo malamig lang konti dito. Diba?
Try ko palitan ng pipe. Kunin ko yung view. Wala mo kinaka. Kasi hindi mo lang isda dyan, no?
Ang ganda dito. Pag umuulan talaga or kapag medyo gloomy yung weather, it's cold even though it's summer, but tolerable yung cold, maybe because naka-adjust na konti. Pero tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda. Hindi mo napapansinin yung lamig, diba? Beautiful. Doon sa kabila, parang gusto mong puntahan. Ganda dun, no? Gusto ko tuloy mag-costume ng ang costume ni sino ba yun? Yung singer ng The Sound of Music. Tapos tatakbo-takbo dyan sa hills na yan. Tapos kakanta ng The Hills Are Alive. Gamito taon pagka-videographer tayo. Dibla?
Parang niyang mo.
Diba? Very clear waters. You never fail to amaze me.